Sheila Biggers, and I'm the President and CEO of JA British Columbia. So JA British Columbia is part of JA Worldwide. We're an international organization with a shared vision that young people have the skill sets and mindsets to build thriving communities, and a shared mission to inspire and prepare young people to succeed in the global economy. And we do this by delivering free educational experiences in financial health, work readiness, and entrepreneurship. We've been doing this in the province of British Columbia for about 68 years. And more recently, we've been working much more closely with Indigenous communities as well. I've said this so many times when I talk about Belmar. I think Belmar really was a partner for us all along the way. So it was really positive. We felt like Belmar was concerned about our success as an organization and is still concerned about our success as an organization. So I would say it was a really positive experience. I think one of the surprising things is just that it's never complete. So I think this, for anyone who is implementing a system like this, if you really want to reap the rewards from the beginning, know that this is a journey just like any other journey. And when the day that's up and you go live, from there, of course, you're dealing with a whole behavior change piece. And we were really well supported with Belmar through that. And our team really, I think, did a super job adapting to the new system. But this tool is constantly being updated, constantly being refined. We can make it better. We learn and modify. So if you really want it to keep working for you, you got to keep your brain about it and keep looking for ways to improve it as well. The hardest thing about the project experience wasn't anything really to do with working with Belmar. It was about our organization and adopting a digital mindset across the organization. Real learning curve to figure out how to adopt and implement Salesforce. And the way we resolved it, and we're continuing to work on it, like I said, we have leadership at the highest level in the organization really still focused on ensuring that the implementation is complete. And when I say the implementation is complete, I mean the adoption is complete. And so Deborah, who still works on this project for us, really is involved in hearing how people are working, and she can really quickly identify, oh, well, maybe we can make this improvement, or let's do this improvement, or yes, there's a way to do that. So we went live, but not everyone in the organization has the ability to understand the potential that the CRM has to improve their work. And that's what Deborah has. So she's continuing to partner with people all along the way and make sure that we are, in fact, adopting the system and using it to its potential. I mean, a number of things. I think one of the exciting things, as I mentioned, is people at JA have learned and started to really appreciate how important having complete, consistent data is. But it's just the way that the CRM is designed. It allows us to be really clear on how we're entering data, processing data, and of course we protect and back up our data. So we have really good human practices that we've implemented. We have a system that is functional and transparent and easy to use in how we put that data in, and we back it up. Well, I have a few pieces. I think part of it is finding the right partner. So do find a partner who is good with your industry, who understands your business somewhat, who it will take the time to learn your organization and your needs from the outset, and that partnership can extend after go live. So that partnership's really important. I would also say make sure that you have the right person inside your organization leading the team, and keep them on the project after go live. Recognize that if getting to go live took a year, then I'd say equal time after the project, keeping somebody on the human part of that. And before any of it starts, I would say make sure your team understands the need for it. Our team was really hungry for Salesforce, and because we were in not a great situation, as I described earlier. So I think that's an important part as well. talk about the potential of a new CRM. We engaged many team members in the process, and even just getting to go, like just saying, here's what we're going to do. We're going to make a change. We involved many team members in educating them around what we're not able to do that other people can do as a starting point. And then we involved the team members in the requirement discussions, the user testing, and pre and post go live training. And in fact, we still have training days that we've recently re-implemented. We did them during the go live period, but we now still have training days every second Friday at JA British Columbia. Is 3 hours. We're not allowed to contact each other. We're not allowed to do emails. Everyone's expected to get onto their trailheads or do other kind of training. So I would say the biggest difference from my perspective at the leadership level is just how robust it is. Like, I have complete confidence that if we need something, there's a way to make it happen with Salesforce. It truly is something that can be designed and modified to support our business needs. And I also love that, honestly, more and more people are using Salesforce. We have Marketing Cloud. There's more knowledge in the marketplace about how to use it, the whole community of support and learning. You know, Deborah on our team, I've mentioned her before. She has a buddy in another organization and to talk about Salesforce. And so I just think with that kind of community, it makes it a tool that we can get the most out of.